Alright, I had the new job. Down, getting everything down. Let's see what we got going.
With over 30 years experience, we're the baddest builders in town. Ooh, yeah. Solid Makers, aluminum structures. You could hire the other guys, or you can hire the best. Solid Makers aluminum structures.
We gotta repair all this. All this came up. You see that? All this came up. This whole screen came up. This whole metal came up off the ground. So screen's just here hanging. We're gonna fix all this. We gotta fix that 1x2 right here. And we gotta repair this right here. Let me get to it.
Solid Makers Aluminum Structures is a licensed and insured family-owned and operated business.
We're here putting super screen. We're getting there. We got it up. We got to pull it. We got all these just 1x2 on the bottom replaced and repaired. We got these little caps on them. Brand new right here. All that's repaired now. This is brand new, repaired. We still got to repair this right here. We repaired the other corner over there. They're finish up the screen. It's coming along. Look at these guys right here. Look at them right there. Look at that one right there.
The beast, the beast.
Yeah. I gotta run and get some material.
I ain't gonna be in nobody's way if I put my truck here, right?
No, I don't think so.
Because it's got this access. I won't be anywhere.
You could hire the other guys, or you can hire the best. Solid Makers aluminum structures.
We got another one in the bag. This was a picture view super screen repair job. What we got going on right here? Not really nice. Way bad. I don't even remember all that was tore up right there. All this section messed up all around. This right here.
listen to your wife and hire a professional. Give us a call. 239-370-8055 or 561-755-2193.